Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do this Indian festive look, and after doing this look I seriously feel I should start wearing Indian wear a little bit more because this is so pretty and so elegant. So if you want to know how to do this beautiful look, then please keep watching.
So I'm starting off with the priming serum. This is a very glowy serum. I really like this from Mars. All details will be there in the description. Once I'm done, I am concealing the dark areas in my face using the Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. I'm using a Cups and Lashes brush here, concealer brush, and I absolutely love this brush. It is very easy to blend your concealer using this brush. Next, I'm using a peach color corrector from Nykaa on my under eyes to hide my dark circles. Blending it out really well with the same brush. And over the color corrector, I am again going in with the concealer. I also had some dark spots due to tanning on my face, and I've put some concealer over them as well. Blending everything out really nicely with the same brush to have a very even and smooth base for my makeup. Using my usual most favorite Fit Me foundation in 310, I'm using a flat top brush to blend it all out. Next, I'm using this very nice soft powder brush and taking the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and tapping it wherever I have applied the concealer. I'm using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and all the shades are mentioned here on the screen itself. Lately, I'm really loving the dual tone eyeshadow shades that are present in so many eyeshadow palettes. I feel they look so beautiful, so glamorous. Taking a purplish shade and putting it in my lower lash line as well. Next, taking a liquid liner, I'm trying to draw a very simple winged liner, a very small and simple one. Now I'm under a lot of pressure when I need to do the second eye because I really need to match it with the first eye, which is very, very difficult. Let me know how many of you relate to that. Okay, I think somehow I've managed to do a good job. Next, taking a brown eyeliner, I am just putting that in my lower lash line. Next, using a nude eyeliner, I am putting that only at the lower waterline to make my eyes look a little more bigger, and it really looks nice when I'm doing a Indian eye look. Next, applying some mascara. Of course, cannot avoid this step. I'm not going in with any falsies, so I'm just curling my lashes using the lash curler. And of course, we cannot forget to do our brows. I'm just filling in the sparse areas, and it's especially important to do your brows because otherwise it looks really bad in the photos. Even if you have eyebrows, it looks like you have almost nothing. So it's really important to give your face that defined look by doing your eyebrows. Next, giving some warmth to my face, so I'm using the bronzer. This is from Revolution, Makeup Revolution, and I absolutely love this bronzer. I think this suits my skin tone really, really well, and it does its job really well. Applying some on my nose as well. Not doing any sharp contouring, so I'm just make do with the bronzer itself. Then applying the blush, I usually like to combine the two shades here in the Nykaa palette. And I think that combination really works well for me. Next up, using a dark maroon lip liner, I am lining my lips. And then for the lipstick, I am using a Swiss Beauty liquid lipstick. The exact shade I will mention in the description. Absolutely love this color. Next, from the e.l.f. blush and highlighter palette, I am using the highlighter portion of it and putting it on the high points of my face as well as the inner corners of the eyes, very very important, and the brow bone. We are almost done here, setting everything in place using the setting spray, and it feels so good. I'm going to put some jewelry, put on my dupatta and a bindi, and I absolutely love how the look turned out. See you in the next video.